This formula, so I want to show you now, will help you. But then, instead of you to memorize or to cram all this formula, what they give you like this, sine 2 theta over g for range. If you talk about height, maximum height, u squared sine squared theta over 2g. Then if you can't talk about the time, total time, now it will be the 2u sine theta over g. Now, you see this formula, so I give you. The confusion where students get about the time, they don't know say get this particular time will be t equal to u sine theta over g. This particular now the time where the object go travel to reach the maximum height. See what I tell you, make me a blessing our story. If a stone block here, you carry stone some, just stone, throw something up, map put it like that. This marker try and go up like this. This marker will take this parabolic curve and come reach this particular maximum height. So this time we take from this particular point where you throw them to get to this particular height before you go to think of to go for. Now be this small t where you get here. Now be u sine theta over g. But if this particular thing, this particular stone, can't reach the maximum height, can't begin to go here. So it means say you don't get half here, you don't get half here. So now 2. That means 2 of this one 9 will be capital 2 times this t. 9 will be 2 multiplied by the whole thing. Will give you capital letter t. That means capital letter t is equal to 2t equal to 2u sine theta over g. That means the time we will take object to reach this maximum height, 9 with this u sine theta over g without 2 attached to that. The total time we carry from here run till you reach this particular place, 9 be 2u sine theta over g. Now that one where they say calculate the time of flight. If now the time where you reach the maximum, they go tell you, say calculate the time it takes the object to reach the maximum height. Then go tell you, if they grab, this one they call the range. If you call range or distance, now the distance where that particular object travel from this particular point where you go down to this particular point. So from this point to this point, now be where they call the range. The height now will be this h, now will be this particular one. The total height, total height will the object reach before it begin come down. Now will be all this formula, but no cram everything. Carry the one we go for this particular question, carry run now. Which one be that? Now be this one. So when they don't give us all these things, yes, they don't give us 60 degrees there. Now be this particular angle theta. So make you write everything down for board and use and solve. Make you write them because you don't know the formula now. As you don't know the formula, how to use them, which one to use them, you need them. So theta now, they don't give you saying at 60 degrees. Waiting again. A stone is projected at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal with an initial velocity. They don't give you initial velocity of 15 meters per second. You write and bold. Calculate the time of flight. Capital letter T, now this way calculate. See the formula here. So it means T will be equal to 2 times your U. Your U now 15 times sine theta. Your theta now 60 degrees divided by G. G here na 10. They not give you here, but just put 10 as your G. If they not give you, use 10. Except they give you G, take G as 9.8 meters per second square. Now you go use 9.8. If they not give you, use 10. Especially if you're in Nigeria, they write these post-UTME exams. Now, T now will be equal to 2 times 15 at 30. And if you multiply 30 by sine 60, it will give you about 0.866 approximately. Now, so you will go. Divided by 10. So, if you remove this one, remove this 0. 0 comes remain 3. 3 times 0.866 will give you approximately 2.6 seconds. The unit of time as seconds. That will be the final answer to this particular question. By now, you're supposed to subscribe to the YouTube channel.